Ito-drop off ko lang si Zachary and Sophie sa Kindi, and then Holly and I are going to the mall to do groceries. So, right? Are you ready, boys? Boy and girl? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Dito na kami sa sa parking lot. Today will be a bit challenging ang pag-grocery ko kasi kailangan ko maghabol ng oras. Kailangan ko kasing sundan si Zach tsaka si Sophie sa school ng 12. So, dapat 11:30 tapos na ako dito. Tapos after dito sa Coles, pupunta po ng Baker's Delight para kumuha ng bread. So, time check is 10 o'clock. So, I have 2 hours. Oh, no. 1.5 hours to do my grocery. Are you ready, Holly? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's go. Holly. Holly. Papa. Ang laki naman ito. Yung maliit mo. Yes, Holly. Hey. Get banana. Get banana. Mandarin? Yes. Yes. Get mandarin. Wait. No. Oi. Here. Oh, that here. Put it here. Good girl. Okay, get more. Good girl. More? Good girl. More? Good girl. More? Whoops. Good girl. More? Oh. Not this one. This is too small. This one. Go. More. 6 more. 7. One more. Not this one. Not this. This is yucky. Get one more. Good girl. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. No more. That's it. No more. No more. Okay. Put it back. Put it back here. Put it back. Good girl. Okay, let's go. We're gonna get green apples. Okay, green apples. This one. This one. This. Okay. Good girl. Yeah. Oh no no no. We have to get this one. Okay, let's go. That's it. Get veggies. Yes. Here. Can I get pet chai? This? Yes, wait. Pa tayo ng veggies. Vicky, Kuya. bigat mo. Get some chocolate for daddy. For $5, or get another one for $5. Medyo mataas siya. Here, we got this. Hold it for mommy. Good girl. Say hi. This is for you, Holly. Here. You love fruits. You love fruits, don't you, Baba? Prince, Baba? Here, here. Ta. Ta. Are you alright? Yeah, we're done. Chloe. Huh? It's really hot, Baba. So yeah, tapos na kami dito sa coast. Time check is 11:05. So may time pa ako pumunta ng Baker's Delight. Ang init, guys. Oh, it's 32 degrees. My God. Para nang nasusunog kami ni Holly dito. So yeah, punta na tayo ng Baker's Delight. Ready, get set? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Aircon, aircon, aircon. We need air conditioning. Malapit lang naman yung Baker's Delight dito eh. Across lang. As in, super lapit lang. So may time pa ako. Nagmamadali tayo. So, done here at Baker's Delight ngayon. Ano, sundin na natin si Zach. Time check is 11:15. So, ito na yung bread. Baker's Delight. Yan. So, yeah. Ready, get set? 1, 2, 3. Such a good Sophie. May 5 minutes pa naman tayo before 12. Gonna get Kuya Saki now. Gonna pick up Kuya Saki and Sophie. Ito na kami sa room nila. Yeah? Oh, pardon. Where Kuya Zak? Huh? Did you eat all? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're done here. Nandito na si Zak at si Sophie. Here. Kuya Zak and Sophie are here now. Remove your bag. Okay. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Are you? Do you have your water?
Yes.
Okay, put your seatbelt, please. So they are here now. How's Kindy?
Good.
Good. So yun guys, ipuput away ko lang yung mga pinamili ko and okay, and then magpe-prepare na ako ng lulutuin ko. Ang lulutuin ko ngayon is yes? Yeah, she's coming with us. Magbe-bake ako ng baked potato. Yes? Yes. No, you're gonna have something, not lollies, some fruits. So yeah, magluluto ako after ko mag-put away kasi lulutuin ko pareho sa oven. Magbe-bake ako ng potato at saka lamb chops. Yeah. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's for today's vlog, guys, kasi I'm not sure kung makakapag-vlog pa ako later. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Thank you!